Oh, hey everyone. We're just here on this beautiful day, checking out this amazing view.
This is Wendy and I'm Mark. We're brokers at RE/MAX. We're here today in Burlington at 10 Cedar, 4449 MILBUROUGH Ln.
If you want to have a Muskoka-like setting without having to sit in the traffic, then this is the home for you. Let's go check it out. Thank you for visiting us today at 10 Cedar in Burlington.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Burlington, please call Wendy at
I can be reached at 905-902-9387, or you can call Mark at
905-512-1846.
We look forward to your call.